In this video I'm going to show you how to change your profile picture on Facebook. So what you want to do is open up your Facebook app. From there, go to the menu at the bottom right and then scroll down until you see Settings and Privacy. From there, click on Settings and then click on See More in Account Center. From there, you want to click on Profiles, which is above Connected Experiences. Click on it, click on the Facebook one and then click on Profile Picture. And basically from there, it will open up your gallery and you will be able to change your profile picture. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.